I'm a retired National Park Ranger and now volunteering with the Department of Biodiversity, Conservation and Attractions. I'm going to talk to you about some of the work we do in environmental science field and in national parks and nature reserves and other wilderness areas in the south coast of Western Australia. I chose to work in this field many years ago. I was a career ranger for over 30 years. And now I've retired, there's opportunities for me to work in threatened fauna management projects across the state, from Exmouth to Esperance. A typical work day for me is getting up early with the team. We often start at sunrise and continue on throughout the day with a few breaks for meals and processing what we've found during the day and regrouping, getting more gear together and going out in long hikes through thick south coast heath vegetation and into mallee country. Favourite part of my job is actually getting out with the team, interacting in a social sense in a workplace that's unique to many people because we're actually working out in wilderness areas, cross country, thick bush and dealing with various landforms. One thing that I don't like about the job would be probably dealing with the insect pests, which is only a minor thing, but they can be irritating. So it can be evening with biting insects, and during the day it can be irritation from just normal bushflies and things. So it's really a minor thing. I don't really have any issues that I don't really like about the job, but that's probably one irritation that you can certainly deal with. There may be a feeling that there's not a lot achieved on field trips, and the understanding of the scope of the work that's involved with these threat and fauna management projects. There's quite a lot of logistics involved with developing all the gear that's required and getting it on site, and then implementing the job operations throughout the week or fortnight when you're out in the field. So you need to be self-reliant, self-contained with all your gear and have an understanding of your own fitness and abilities, and a willingness to be involved in sharing the load and the duties during the scope of the project.